Alright guys, whew. It is another day in Alaska. Well, actually today is Thanksgiving. I don't know if this is too close or not, but yeah, it snowed last night, so I gotta scrape all this snow. It's not bad, but I'm gonna let it naturally melt until I can start scraping it. Naturally melt as in like defrost it. Have the car warm up a little bit, and yeah. So yeah, it is Thanksgiving. I really don't have families or friends here, so I'm just gonna go to the DFAC and grab some food. Kind of want to get some racing canes, but as of the snow right now, I don't think the road will be good, because it just snowed last night. I'm sure they plowed it, but it's not a good idea to drive around. So I'm just gonna drive like right across the street basically. So yeah, so I'm just gonna wait here for a little bit and all right. So I finally just got back from, oh man, my hair is messed up. Just got back from the DFAC, and yeah, man, I am starving right now, so I'm gonna go back to my room and probably clean up a little bit and then give my fam a call. Just wish them a happy Thanksgiving, and yeah. And as you can see, I'm still reorganizing my stuff even after like 2 weeks, but everything is nice and organized, but I'm still trying to move things around. Like, I feel like here is like a bad spot for my setup, because it's literally taking space in between my room. So I'm probably gonna move that to like over there, like in that corner or in that corner, we'll see. But I'll figure it out this weekend, and I'm gonna move the bed. So, and as you can see, here's my PC. The 1070 is in there now. Look at that, it is nice. Okay, if it's gonna focus, there you go. Nice. Yeah, not 1070, 3070 is in there. Doesn't have any LED lights, which is a bummer. So, but it's all good. Everything else is gonna be lighting up, and I actually do have a little bit of issue with that one. So I'm hearing a lot of noises from the pump on my water cooler for my CPU. So I'm not gonna risk it and wait until it breaks down and fry my stuff, because I've had that happen for quite a while, or once actually. So I don't want to have that issue again. So I bought AIO cooler in Best Buy, so I'm actually gonna go pick it up, and I'm actually gonna buy a mic for this camera, so you won't be able to hear that thing right there. Like it's basically my my sling, or yeah, my sling for my camera. That's like touching the internal mic. So but yeah, I'm gonna go change or put on some jacket, because my car is waiting for me outside. I leave it on because here in Alaska it's kind of cold, but not as much. I'm kind of used to it now, but so let's go to Best Buy. All right, I am back. Man, that took a long time. So I was supposed to just pick up the water AIO cooler for my CPU or my computer, but I ended up buying more. So um, yeah, I got some Panda. We don't need no unboxing for that. Yeah, so this is the water cooler. It's huge. I didn't think that it'd be this big. That's what she said. And then I got a vacuum for my room, and so I bought this for the camera, and see. Let's see how it is. All right. Yeah, let me just mute this real quick. All right. So I got that mic in. Hopefully, well, I guess we'll find out how it sounds because I don't know the setting for this. So, yep. Can you? There you go. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It's not bad, not bad. I guess I have to see how it sounds once I start editing this. But before we do that, before I end this video, I'm gonna install that AIO cooler, and then we'll see how this PC will look with all the RGB on the top and the bottom. So yeah. All right, so yeah, it's finally done. Let's see what's going on over here. Okay, But yeah, this is my setup. And as you can see, I don't know why, but it looks kind of blue here. It's supposed to be purple, or like, yeah, something like that. But it's all good. You know, it is what it is. Let's see. Here we go. Yeah, it looks really nice. And I already stress tested, and yeah. And actually no, I actually overclock it too, and it stays below 75 degrees, which is amazing because normally this CPU runs hot. So yeah. But alright guys, hopefully you've found this video interesting. So don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. As always, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.